Hey guys, have you ever been on a sudden impromptu trip? Well, I just hopped on a plane to San Francisco without any plans, and I'm taking you all for the ride. Welcome to my hotel, Rui Plaza at Fisherman's Wharf. This is a great location to stay in San Francisco if you're planning to visit with your family or friends, as it is located in one of the most hustly and bustly area of San Francisco. I'll give you a tour of my room right away. Hello everyone, welcome to my hotel room here in San Francisco. So this is my room. As you can see, it's small but it's very pretty, and we have a small attached bathroom here, and along with that we have multiple lamps and stuff here. We have a TV in here, and we also have a small window facing towards the pool area. But tomorrow I will be taking you to like 16-17 good tourist spots. I have booked a double decker tour bus, and we will go and explore the city with a group. So for today we are going to rest. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning everyone. After resting for the night, I am having the complimentary breakfast here, which includes these delicious fruits, pancakes, omelets, coffee, and juices. Now, after fueling up, we are heading on our way to the Big Bus Double Decker Tour. Now, this is a special bus which takes us from location to location, and we are allowed to hop off and on anytime we want. That means if there is a place which interests you, a famous spot, you can just hop off and explore the place for any number of time you want, and just hop on again on the next bus to continue your tour. Luckily, we got to choose our favorite seats on the top of the bus, and then we begin our tour. Right now, we are in the Fisherman's Wharf. Now, this is a very famous spot which is famous for the Pier 39 and the historic Ghirardelli Square. It is always hustling and bustling, and the nightlife is amazing here. And don't worry, we are going to come back here at night. So, guys, throughout this entire tour, we had earphones plugged into our ears, through which the bus was giving us instructions about all the famous spots we were visiting and why they are famous. We came to know that in 1906 there was a huge earthquake and fire in which the city was completely destroyed. But the people here were resilient and they built this amazing city. Look at this awesome skyline of San Francisco. It took my breath away. On the right hand side, you can see we are approaching the famous Columbus Tower, which has Francis Ford Coppola's American Zoetrope studio, we were told. But I did not know what that studio is basically. But it's good. Then we saw San Francisco's tallest skyscraper, which is the Trans-American Pyramid. It is an iconic part of the city's skyline and even has an observation deck above. Then we headed over to the financial district of San Francisco, which is surrounded by towering banks and corporate buildings. This area is the heart of San Francisco's business world. Now, guys, we head over to Union Square, the city's premier shopping district. We decided to get off our bus here and explore the area more and also do some shopping. In the process, we also saw the city's iconic Macy's. It is a very big building, and you can even go in there and have a look from here. Right across us is the famous cafe Miller and Lux. They are famous for their delicacies, and one of the most recommended one is their soft serve croissant cone, and trust me, it's as delicious as it looks. Next, we headed over to the majestic San Francisco City Hall. With its grand architecture and stunning golden dome, it's truly a sight to behold. Did you know that the building survived the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake with minimal damage? Look at that amazing golden dome. Next, we continued our journey to Japanese Botanical Garden, but we did not get off here because I am not a big fan of gardens. I like to explore the city more rather than gardens. I will do this when I'm old, but you should definitely check out with this friends and family. Now we are on our way to one of the most awaited spot of San Francisco, and I'll let you guys guess what it is. So guys, finally we are at the Golden Gate Bridge, and did you know that this is one of the most photographed spot in the entire world? I would recommend you sit on the second floor of the double-decker bus here and also carry your hoodies and scarves so that you don't feel cold here. The sea breeze is extremely cold. Let's just now enjoy the view here. So guys, we got off at the next hop off point so that we can get more of the San Francisco Bridge. It is called the Etzdena Bowers and Vista Point, and it is one of the most iconic places where people just stop to take amazing shots of this bridge. After having lunch, the next spot was supposed to be USS Pampanito Museum. It's a World War II submarine, but unfortunately I was a bit late and it was closed for the night. I guess we will just have to come back for this the next time. Then next we decided to stop over at Fisherman's Wharf, and here is the amazing view. One of the most famous spot here is the Pier 39, which has restaurants, tea shops, chocolate shops, and even various museums here. We bought some artifacts and even some candies here, which were amazing. Make sure you visit these stores to take gifts for your family and friends. And guys, you won't believe, there was this one shop which was even selling idols of Hindu god and goddesses. I was very tempted to bring some of these beautifully crafted idols with me. Next up, we also got to try out this amazing mirror maze, and it was really fun getting in one end and trying to find our way on the other side. We also went to the spice and tea exchange where we saw different kinds of spices and teas from all over the world. We even got some samples for ourselves. So after a long day, we decided to refuel and get a reservation at Hard Rock Cafe. If you try to go here without a reservation, you will have to wait in a line for about an hour. So make sure you reserve a table beforehand. The cafe is rock based and the food is amazing too. We had to wait for some time, but hey, why not? Here we decided to end our trip with the Skystar Wheel. It's bigger than Santa Monica's giant whale, but it's closed. So I love the open giant wheel where you can feel the air and look around. And sadly it is raining, so you can see our view is a little bit hampered. So I would advise you to not sit in the giant wheel if it's raining, because you can get the experience but not good photos and videos. So guys, it felt quite amazing to end our trip with this view of San Francisco. I hope you loved this vlog too. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you like this video.